Hello guys, this is Prakash. In this video, we'll be talking about the creation process of the EC2 instances and how to use it. So, क्या होता है कि many people, including me, have a doubt like we can create the EC2 instance, but we do not know how to connect it. Like what is the use case of it, how it look like. So, in this video, we'll be covering those things. Okay, let's start. So, what is an EC2 instance? EC2 instance is served as a virtual server that allow you to run the application in the cloud. It's a kind of a computer in the cloud. Okay, benefits of EC2 instance: it provides the flexibility, scalability, and also its cost effectiveness for hosting the various cloud applications and workloads. So you do not have to manage the servers and all. Those are managed by the cloud service provider like AWS, Azure, GCP. So they manage the servers. You do not have to worry about the servers and all. Okay, prerequisites for creating the EC2 instance. So first of all, you should have a AWS account with the appropriate permissions to create the EC2 instance. Then familiarity with the AWS management consoles, like you must have a basic understanding of AWS management console interface to navigate through the EC2 services. Okay, knowledge of instance type. So you must have a basic knowledge like what is instance type as per your application requirement, GPU and CPU. So basically these are the instance type. So you must have a basic knowledge about that. Step by step guide to creating EC2 instance. Okay, all right, let's move to the AWS management console. Here you search AWS console login, enter AWS management console, hit on sign in. I already signed in, so it's take to me the AWS management console. Here you search EC2, click on EC2 instance, then instances. Okay, here you have this option launch instances. Click on launch instances. Now give a name to your instance, like I'll take my first web server. Okay, application and OS management, like it is your AMI, Amazon Machine Image. So it's kind of your operating system. Here we'll take Windows. Okay, instance type. So Amazon provide 3 tier eligible instance type: T3 micro, T3 small. Let's go with the basic one, T3 micro. Okay, key pair. So key pair is the key to securely connect to your instance. So make sure that you have access to the selected key pair before launching your instance. Okay, so we'll be creating a new key pair name. You can provide anything as for your wish. Key pair. Okay, then private key file format, like it is .pm, create key pair. So once you create the key pair, one file will be downloaded. Make sure that you have this key pair file handy with you, so it will be required while you connect to the RDP instance. Okay, the network settings. So you can create a security group. So what is a security group? It's kind of establish the connection between your RDP instance and the website. So here you can allow HTTPS traffic and also HTTP traffic. Okay, configuration, leave it as it is. Advanced details, leave it is as default. Now click on launch instance. It will create an instance within 30 seconds. Yes, now my instance is created. You can go to instance. Now you saw your instance is running. So let's see the instance. Make sure that before launching or connecting the instance, go to the security group and check if the RDP client is enabled. Okay, click on the security groups. Inbound rule, click on edit inbound rule. Here you see the RDP port is enabled. Save the rule. So it's already saved. Review changes. Let's cancel it. Now go to instances. Okay, now click on connect. So we'll be connecting to RDP client. Let's click on RDP client. So this is your public domain, like your instance ID. To connect the instance, you need a RDP or remote desktop file. So download the remote desktop file, click on it, and it will download one remote desktop file as per your instance name, like my fast web server. Post that, click on get the password. So the security file, the key pair file that you have downloaded, upload the key pair file over here, then describe the password. So now you have the password for your client. Now open the RDP file that you have downloaded, click on connect, enter the password over here. You have the password, open it, click on OK. Now it will connect, click on yes. It will take some time. Now it's launching. It will take kind of 1 minute to launch the instance. Okay, now see the new desktop. You can do whatever things you want. You click on the file explorer, then click on this PC. Now you can see you have selected 30 GB of memory, out of which 9.39 GB is free. Okay, it's like of your storage in the cloud inside your computer. So you can do anything you want. You have can launch apps. Okay, start without doing your data. Let's take a look. Okay, my browser is ready now. I don't need this customization. I'll directly open YouTube. Okay. See guys, this is the YouTube that we open inside the cloud. Well, it's really amazing. So this is how you can connect to your RDP instance and you can use it as a secondary computer. Okay, let's disconnect the RDP instance. Now go back to the instances type. Make sure that before closing your computer, you should stop or terminate the instance. If you do not need, you can terminate it. If you want to use it later sometime, you can stop the instance. Otherwise, it will cost you. Okay, now stop it. So yeah, that's all. Thank you.